All right, so I'm at PANDAG, which is a commercial robotic mower. So I've tested a lot of home robotic mowers, obviously, but this one is a beast. This thing is very robust. It's a huge mower, and you can see it here. It is climbing up this ramp. Now on this one, two-wheel drive, it is interesting because the back does lift up. I've seen that lift up, but it doesn't need that because the front is really the drive unit, and then the weight's on the mower. That keeps the mower in contact with the ground so that it has good cutting. But this machine has both either hard metal blades for like a finish mower, or you can do even the swing blades. Let me see if I can find those over here. There's lots of things here. Let's see if I come over here to this this booth. They have the different tires that are on it. So here they have some crazy spiked tires. These things are awesome. These are aluminum that are bolted onto this thick rubber here. So that gives it the ability to climb up almost a 90, I think 4% grade, or almost 45-degree slope. And then they have a trimmer attachment. This is not production yet, but that is planned to come out. And then they have the turf tires, and then they have kind of like a ATV off-road type tire in there as well. Let me flip the camera around and show you a little bit more. All right, if we go in here and look at the blades that they have both the hard metal blades, like a regular lawnmower, and then you can see the swing blades here, which are more typical of like a brush cutter there. So those are the options that you have. And then they're really looking to expand into the U.S. To get distributors and out there, but this is for sale overseas, and they're trying to get some more inroads here to the U.S. So excited to see. This is the wireless charging pad, so it backs up to it, and then it is wireless inductive charging. I found the wireless to work really well with my Yarbo mower system, which is home use. But excited to see how this one grows and expands because it has a lot of potential here. All right, so here's the underside. So this one you can have the swing blades, but these will switch out to the hard finish mower blades as well.
Yeah, 6 feet of grass.
Okay, so 6 feet. Yeah, it'll cut 6 feet of height. And then how wide is the deck?
48.
48 inches deck, okay. And then it's rear discharge there. So very cool.